That's what's up. I want to give you a quick update about the Bitcoin price, and I want to zoom a little bit out that you understand where Bitcoin seen in the immediate short term, in the midterm, and also in the long term. Long term is obvious up, but I want to let's go straight to the charts. I don't talk too much, guys. Okay, we are now on the weekly. I want really that you understand what I'm saying, because all the last videos I was right, and I want to tell you how I make analysis. So we watch on the weekly. On the weekly, we are clearly in the bear market, right? We see also this on the EMA ribbon, right? Because we broke it down right now and retesting it right now. So and we broke out of this huge rising wedge, right? And technically the price target is 29,000, between 29,000 and 30,000, right? Because the price target of the rising wedge is always the bottom. So this is technically right, but we have here stops around 40,000, which we also saw, because we have here big support coming in. You see here big support, here's a big support, here's resistance, which is also support right now, right? So this is on the weekly. Let's zoom in. Let's watch on the daily. On the daily, we see this huge falling channel, right? And this is a bearish thing. We saw here a small fake out. I said to you, watch the 52K level, because if we not break 52,000, we are not going bullish, right? We watch on the daily. Let's watch on the daily. On daily, we are also clearly in the bear market, because we are under the EMA ribbon, right? And this was also nice to see. Here we see clearly here, if we go back in time, if we broke 52,000, we were above the EMA ribbon, which would be really bullish for Bitcoin. And we were again in the bull run, right? And we see here is a big resistance and support. So resistance support area, which is now for us a resistance area, because here it was support resistance, here it was support, we see here it was support, we see here it was resistance. So therefore is 53,000 extremely important for us to break. As soon as we're not breaking 53,000, we are in the midterm clearly bearish, and all the way up it could be for us a bull trap, right? A fake out, right? So we have to watch in the midterm, we have to watch mid and long term that we are breaking 53,000, then we are again in clear bull market. As soon as we are not breaking 53,000, we are in a clear bear market, and we have to watch the small time frames, and for a day trader or swing trader to outperform the market. That's what we can do on the smaller time frames, right? So now let's watch. I go here on the smaller time frames, and we are going the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, we saw this rising wedge, right? And I told you, if we break it, we are going down. Technically, the price target is again would be 40,000 here, but I said to you guys, we have the first price the first price target would be around 42,500. Because why, you asking yourself? Here we have big support here, we have here a support resistance, we have here support resistance. Therefore I said to you guys, 42,500, watch out. Yes, you can go on a short position right now, but watch 42,500. If we break 42,500, we are going down below. I said to you, to 41,500, because 41,500 is the next here support and resistance area. Support, which is our support right here. What happened? We broke 42,500 and we go to 41,500. We not exactly reach 41,500, but we reach 41,700. And you have every time to take profits. So if you are a professional trader, you took here some profits, right? And you took here some profits before reaching the price target, right? So we find here support. We closed 4-hourly, and now we're going up. We're going up to retest 43,500, which was here. You see here a big resistance. Here it was also resistance. Now we are watching, can we break it? We are retesting to break this resistance. Now we are going to the 1-hourly, and I can exactly tell you what could happen next. Look, we have here a bull flag, right? We have here a clearly bull flag. Maybe also on the 15th time frame we see it even better. Maybe we are trying to break even this bull flag right now because it's for me more like this, yes. And we are measure it from the top to the bottom. So the price target would be, but here we see small, we see here breakout already, right? But I don't see at the moment volume coming in. With the breakout, we need every time volume, guys. We need every time volume. If we don't have any volume, this breakout is a fake out, right? So watch this 1 hourly, how we close it in 20 minutes. If we clearly close it above and we have clear volume coming in, we can make here a long position, right? So the price target would be here around 44,700. And look how interesting this is. 44,700. So let's say 44,500. We have to take profits every time before. And what we see here, guys, at 44,500, you see here 44,600, we have clearly resistance, which we had here also. You see, we tried here one time and we tried here the second time to break the resistance. We have here clearly at 44,600, we have clear resistance area. So here, if you take this this trade, maybe you go on the 15 minutes again. If you take this trade, which would be approximately around 3.5%, so on 30x leverage 35%, you have to take profits before, maybe at 44,600, 44,500, right? To be safe, right? Because we could get again and at this 44,600, 44,500 area rejected, right? Because we have a strong resistance zone here right now, right? So take profits before, guys. If you want to trade, guys, I want to show you again. Here you can link down below crypto exchange Bybit and Phoenix. Let's check. Yes, we're online. Bybit and Phoenix. Claim your bonus round 8,200. Links down below. After initial deposit, claim your bonus round 8,200. And another thing which I wanted to show you. So this is in the immediate short term, right? We could go to 44,500 if we are breaking out of this bull flag, right? Of this bull flag. So, guys, also I wanted to show you something which we every time have to watch is the S&P 500. So the stocks, we have to see how the behavior of the stocks is, because if stocks are crashing, usually crypto also crashing in the immediate short term, right? So, and what we see here on the S&P 500, big support. So it's for us really important, for us crypto traders and also crypto holders, yes, you know what I mean, that we don't break this big, which is since October, support line, right? If we break it, so we are all stocks are crashing, and also crypto will crash in the immediate short term. But we see here again a good bounce, and for us it's important that we close the daily also above this support line. We see volume is coming, so this looks very bullish in the immediate short term, which would be for us if we are trading this bull flag, which would be really important to break here above and reach the price tag around 44,500, right? So this is on Bitcoin, and in the long term or in the midterm, we could break this 50. Let me go on the 4 hourly. We could break this, or daily. Let's go on the daily. Daily is better. We could break this area above 50, 51, 52,000 or mid long term, right? Why we could break it? Guys? I can tell you exactly why we could break it. Because on this chart, maybe you don't understand this chart, but doesn't matter. I explain to you. We see here that from I read, maybe it's better. You see here, data from on-chain analytics firm CryptoQuant shows that on January 11th, 29,379 bitcoins. This is crazy. 29,371 bitcoins left exchange order books, the most since September 10th, right? So you see here this chart. You see here this big wick, right? So they explained better. The most since September 10th. Bitcoins left the exchange order books. What this means, guys, this means that the most of the people are not just trading Bitcoin, they buying, really accumulating them for holding for short term. That means in the mid long term, Bitcoin will go up, but we don't know when it exactly will happen, right? So we could see technically we Bitcoin has to go to 29,000, right? But we have big support zone at 35,000, 37,000. So I think what we could see is a big wick down below to 35, 37,000, and then quickly above again, right? Because the people are accumulating. And you see clearly here on this chart, the more we are going down, the more people are accumulating Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin going on their offline hardware wallet or online wallet, I don't know, but it leave the exchanges, right? So this is what I wanted to show you, and I want to show you quickly because the video is getting too long. I see here on Harmony that Harmony can easily reach my price target of 40 cents, because we see here, look at this, we see here head and shoulders, and inverse head and shoulders, shoulder, head and shoulder, and the price tag would be around 40 cents. Therefore I also bought $100,000 on spot of Harmony, because why I bought on spot, not on leverage, because it's really volatile. Harmony is really volatile, and I want here slightly to a little bit outperform the market, right? So we will see, but I think we will reach here in the next days 40 cents if Bitcoin moves sideways or even up. So guys, I hope I could give you this quick update. I'm still in my short position because the mid-term, I think we will see a shakeout, but in the really short term, in the immediate short term, we see here clearly this. Let me go on to 15 minutes again. We see here this. This is for day traders, right? I'm more swing trader. We could break out of this bull flag and go to 44,700. Take profits before. So guys, if you want also to trade, right, go here, link down below. Bybit and Phoenix, you claim bonus around 8,200 after initial deposit. This is also where I am trading, and I know these guys from these exchanges. I hope I could help you to have this big overview of the market, also with the stocks and analytics. And I will see you tomorrow, guys. I kiss you.